Hey guys, and this job here is actually a little bit of a challenge. We had two small walkways to do, and it was a little bit of a challenge because we were not completely prepared. I didn't have the forms in place. We kind of got everything down that day, and things just weren't ready, and which created a domino effect. So there's other things that went wrong along the way. You'll see those in the video, but I can say the final result of the walkways, they did turn out nice. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, good morning guys. So today's Monday, back at the job. I did the saw cuts on Saturday for that slab there, and the day before for this slab. So I actually scheduled concrete for today. I just called them and asked them if they happen to have a truck for a little bit later, and they do. So I have to get this stuff formed out real quick, and then the truck will be here and we'll be pulling it. Hey Trav, hey, just want to make sure you guys are heading this way. Alright, cool. Where are you at, just so I know? When you get here, you'll just have to jump into it, alright? So we have to just do a little bit of digging. I got a lot of it at the machine, but there's a little bit of digging and then base and stuff, alright? Okay, alright, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, bye. This isn't the height right there, okay?
That's the height, and over there. Kevin did this. We're at like a 5 over there.
5?
Yeah, it's just so we can match the same slump, so the colors. All right. How you doing?
Good.
We're gonna be right here on the grass.
Right here?
Yeah, and then after that, I can move my skid steer, and then you could go over there, and they can shoot across the yard.
Bring it up. Let me know when he gets to the top.
Perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. All right, stop. Stop.
And right there, you push it up. Yep. That's it.
All right.
I put pedal. Bring it all the way up.
Ah, man. So you fixed everything but your foot pedal. Yeah. Stay on the road, okay? What's that? Oh, your rake? Just use the other one. Well, you hit that one too? You hit that one too? Did it break it?
I got both of them. No, it didn't break them. I don't know. I think it made it looser around here.
All right. Yeah, we got.
If it's too heavy, I'll use the shovel.
Okay. James, move over. Or you got to come in. The person has to get in the driveway. You want to flip your chute up? You want to flip your chute up? You got to flip your chute up. So go under that joint right there. You'll put it right over the buggy car. I guess it's wet behind that, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Not bad. Now it's tight at the bottom, but it's going to be good. Hold on. It's all right. Back up. Back up. Okay. Just spread it out, and then we'll have him dump right on top. When we go to the front, it's going to be pretty much you and James, right? So I got to get that form in real quick. just add a little water, okay?
Oh, alright, I'll wait till you get. I don't want nothing to drip off, so when you get back here,
Got it.
put my in there.
Okay. Yeah, it's like borderline tight. Whatever. Yeah, put something heavy on it. Let's throw it underneath this thing every time. There you go. Alright, Chad, we gotta go this way, right? This is it right here. This is what we have. Good. Right there, that's good. You okay? I'll hammer that. Go low, Chuck. Hold on. Sorry. Do more, James. More.
All of it?
No, not just do like half more. All the way. Hold on. All right. Just turn off, or if you try starting it.
You have gas?
Pull the choke out and try starting it. Push the choke back in, so yeah, you can.
Yes?
I don't know. Yeah, good. Good. All right. Right now. I don't know. Use a cone. I can't believe that thing's out of gas. Probably tried dragging it. Alright, let's go up. Use your front door. You could go on that step. You're good. Or you could go through your garage. You could walk on the driveway too. Guys, want to feel that? Yeah. Yeah, put the cap back on. I need the shovel truck. Excuse me. Alright, just start it, run it at idle, okay, when you run it. Turn the choke on or turn it off. Let me see. Back up a little bit so we can finish this. Now you got to build a ramp to get over there, okay? Stuff's gonna set up on us if we don't go quick. Like if you do this, I could start stamping. Use this one to lean on. was trying to get over here as fast as I could. Yeah. Oh yeah, you get to the point where you're just like, it's like running a marathon. Like you try sprinting it, and you're just like, I can't do this. So now, there's just so much going on. Power buggy running out of gas and stuff. Oh, I had to turn into MacGyver real quick. Huh? I had to turn into MacGyver real quick. Yeah. Get gas from anywhere I can. I was dumping gas with mixed oil.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not even meant for that. It does look pretty fancy. I just looked at it from over there. Looks good. Yeah, when the power buggy died, I was like, when the power buggy died, like a million thoughts were running through my head.
I thought we were done for. Well, actually, I thought you had gas. When you said you didn't have gas, I was like...
Alright, so we're here to seal the driveway. So we have to do something real quick to it. And then after that, we're going to throw a sealer down.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
How'd you like get this connected?
Color hardener.
Really?
Yeah, my favorite. Lot of sealers.
I know. Well, you're almost out?
No, I have a whole nother thing. If you just leave it on the grass. No, no, no. This is on that. Don't, on the grass. Thank you. All right. We'll toss that in the back. Look it. Don't scare him.
It matches the concrete.
Come on.
What if it's like a house pet? How stupid.
All right, guys. So that's a wrap. Got everything all done, sealed, ready to go. We did these steps up top there. Still have to get the machine out of here, but I'll do that. I'll do that maybe later or tomorrow or something. But yeah, so customer's happy. Job looks great. I'll see you guys on the next one.